Hello, and welcome to this video on looking after yourself. This video is part of our Commonwealth Scholarships Pre-Departure Briefing series. My name is Jasmine. I'm from the British Council in the UK, and for those of you who can't see me, I'm a young woman of mixed ethnicity. I have dark curly hair tied into a bun, and I'm wearing a yellow cardigan and round silver glasses. Universities have student wellbeing at their heart and provide holistic support for each student, so don't be afraid to open up and ask for help and support if you are experiencing stress which is affecting your wellbeing or your studies. Please contact your tutor or your supervisor and University Welfare Services in the first instance and notify your UK Award Administrator. Many institutions have security staff which carry an overnight responsibility for coordinating urgent responses to crisis situations. Informal support is also available. Contact students' unions, social clubs, international societies, student support services, sports and leisure facilities and study skills sessions. Prior knowledge of institutional support services before arrival will help you to identify who runs the overall service, the support offered, and how the appointment and referral systems work, and note the emergency contact details. If you have worries or concerns related to your academic work, please contact your personal tutor. We have listed a few websites on this slide with useful resources too. Places of worship can also help with relaxation, social and spiritual company and support. The Samaritans Helpline also offer a 24-hour listening service and offer an email response. There are plenty of ways that your university can support you, so don't hesitate to reach out if you are experiencing any difficulties. International students will always be able to access treatment that clinicians consider is immediately necessary or urgent at no upfront cost. The National Health Service can also provide international students with specific COVID-19 advice through a new COVID-19 online service by using www.111.nhs.uk/COVID-19 or by calling 111 free of charge from any phone. No charges apply to testing for coronavirus, even if the result is negative, or to any treatment provided in relation to coronavirus if the result is positive or up to the point that it has been negatively diagnosed. International students who live in the UK and are registered with a GP or general practitioner will be able to access the COVID-19 vaccination in the UK, just as they are currently able to access healthcare. This means that older international students or those with underlying medical conditions will fall into priority categories in the same way that anyone else in the UK would. The NHS will let you know when it's your turn to have the vaccine, or you can find out more on the NHS website. Whilst the NHS is free at the point of arrival, other parts of the NHS are chargeable. These include medicines prescribed by a doctor, eye tests and eye care, dental care, vaccinations, although some vaccinations are free, including the COVID-19 vaccine, and doctor's notes or sick certificates. When registering with a GP, please take your passport, your student identification, proof of address and a photograph with you. After a short time, you will receive an NHS card by post at your home address, which you can keep with you in case of any queries when attending a medical appointment. NHS dentists can be harder to register with, as they usually have full patient lists. You may have to register on a waiting list for a period of time. Your GP should be able to refer you to an NHS dentist on request, But please note that even if you register with an NHS dentist, you will have to pay a contribution for checkups and basic care. In each of the UK's 4 nations, the NHS services may be slightly different. For example, the cost of prescriptions. So please check the websites included on this slide. Finally, you can also visit your pharmacy for advice or guidance. The UK is a very safe country with low levels of crime and violence. Staff at your university will be able to help you with any concerns, and community police officers or campus-based security staff can also give you practical and reassuring advice about personal safety. Make sure that you attend the orientation course at your university for your briefing about staying safe. In case of emergencies, you can call 999 from any telephone, including mobile phones. The police, fire, and ambulance services can all be contacted by calling this number. For non-emergencies, you can call 101, and for non-medical emergencies, you can call NHS 111. Please also retain a copy of your embassy contact number, just in case. It may also be worth registering with your embassy. Please follow local rules and national laws whilst living in the UK. The UK is proud to be a diverse country, and you should respect all people and all cultures. Failure to follow laws could lead to a fine or the cancellation of your visa. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on looking after yourself. I hope that this video has answered any questions that you may have had. If you still have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to the British Council contacts in your home country.